For this balloon, you're going to use two 260s. In this case, I used the dark blue and the gray. All right, blow that first one up, the blue, all the way. And that gray one, which is going to be the handle, with about 6 finger lengths left or so. Don't need too much on that one. All right, we're going to start with the handle here. And you're going to do a loop twist there, about 4 finger lengths or so. Twist that nozzle in. Go ahead and push it through to seal it. Now you're going to do a 1-inch bubble there and pinch twist that. All right, now you want to go across the balloon there. This is where the handle is going to be. And this is probably 5 to 6 finger lengths. Do another 1-inch bubble there and pinch twist that into place. All right, go ahead and do another loop twist just like the other one. Twist that into place. And I just eyeball it so it looks the same. And now we can take the excess off there. So go ahead and pop that off. Go ahead and tie that end there and then hide it into place. All right, that is the handle there, the double sword. Okay, grab that other balloon, and this is whatever color you wanted for the main sword. So I'm going to push that through, and then we'll be pretty much done. So push it through that first loop twist there. And then get it through that second one as well. And then just go ahead and pull on one side and brace that loop twist with your other hand, and then pull so it's in the center. Sometimes you have to adjust a little bit to get it just right. And that is the double sword. Nice work, guys.